Hi. In this video, we will see how to make other credit invoices in simpliRP ERP. Go to Scrap and Other Credit Invoices in Invoicing menu. Select the date and type of invoice. The invoice number will automatically appear. Select the customer and customer ID will appear. Ship to ID can be changed if required. Enter references related to this invoice. Enter the transportation mode and insurance details. Enter credit terms and number of packs. Also enter special remarks if any. Then click Submit. simpliRP will take you to item entry page. Select the item code to be invoice. Please select the batch number. Batch number is mandatory. Please enter the packing details. Please enter the price and quantity. GST will be calculated automatically. Then save the item. If you want to add more items, you can repeat the same process. If batch number is empty, the stock will not match. Once invoice is done, the stock will reduce automatically. Batch number is mandatory. Once all items are entered, click Print Invoice. You can see the tax invoice with all the details entered. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your sales department. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.